something really amazing what's happening in GMP Beauty. If you've been following me and you know that I have a skincare brand, clean and everything and organic and natural, they help to transform your skin, natural products that work. I want to update you on few things. We are officially Leaping Bunny certified, and you can find GMP Beauty on Leaping Bunny website. This means simply that we are not testing on animals. We love animals, and this is the proof that Coalition for Consumer Information on Cosmetics is pleased to present the certificate of approval to GMP Beauty for adopting the corporate standards of compassion for animals. I am so happy, I'm so excited. I've been working on some stuff that is important as for us as a community, as to prove you and actually share and show our high standards. Another thing, we are also toxic free officially certified. We will start having this toxic free sign officially. We can do that on our each product that are launching very soon. Another update, I actually switched labs right now. I had an incident, and for those who follow me on Instagram, and if you follow here, I'm gonna put the name, you can follow me on Instagram and stories. I share very often. We had incident with former lab. Actually, I got a lot of stress. 3,000 units of eye cream went bad. We had to discontinue selling that. The problem is not solved actually until now. A lot of money, $20,000-$30,000 is in the air. That's okay, not my fault at all. I always take responsibility, but that lab was not GMP certified. Basically, GMP certified means they have a great manufacturing practice, which is FDA regulated. FDA come into the lab and they actually see how the production is happening. I found incredible lab. It is GMP certified. It's incredible how they do all the product production. I switch everything there right now. Everything is produced in that lab. Actually, it is organic, non-toxic. They have a high standards. They, for example, before massive production, they put a cream in the oven, 200 degrees, and they tested for like 2 weeks to make sure if the product in the heat wouldn't go bad. Then they do the same with a freezer, and it's incredible how organized they are, how high standards they have. It's incredible. In the beauty industry, some people will make any kind of shit just to sell it, just to make money. But here in United States, that products that I have and my skincare brand, for me it's very important to have not only like, you know, flashy. I'm not focused on marketing. If you see, I don't have any ads. I don't have a big team behind me. I have a couple of people. What I'm passionate about is educating, giving you results, providing value, and really sharing what will help you to feel just simply better. So that is very important. Another important announcement that we do have right now, body Dermaroller, which is a little bit more sustainable than the old one. Old one, when you use, you have to replace the entire thing, case, body, and everything like that. Right now, you don't have to replace the case, you don't have to replace the body. The only what you need to replace is the head, which is really, what happened here? I don't know, but whatever. So what you need to replace, only head. You buy additional head. For me, guys, it's very important to save planet. I know Dermarollers have a lot of plastic in it, but I try to save the planet on the other hand. So we are actually plastic neutral because we do have shipping supplies completely plastic free. That means boxes are cardboard. I want to show you that we actually switching even the boxes. Shipping boxes right now look like this, really nice. Right now we actually getting different boxes, which is just basic cardboard box with simple logo on that, no dyes, not toxic. Here I can insert the video how our new boxes actually is going to look. They are already on the way. It's such a simple thing, like box like this with so much green dye all over. That's leaching into the planet, and that's not okay. So I'm working really hard on kind of neutralizing plastic that we produce in other cases.
A few moments later.
It's really important to me to save environment as much as possible, balance it out. Actually, we have majority of our products, serums, in the glass. We're working on launching new products that everything should be in the glass. We are, to be honest, discontinuing Aqua stamps because people don't like it the way the serum comes out, so I decided to discontinue. Some of you love it, but majority don't. So as a business owner, I have to decide for what's the best for the people. We are launching incredible new products, which is, for example, it is similar rose water that we had, but it is actually with neroli, with other beautiful ingredients, which I will give you more information once it's launched. We're also launching jars, completely gonna be different, not this one. This is cleansing balm and it is cleanser. This actually is launching next week. I'm flying for production. It is foam disinfection product for Dermaroller and for the face before microneedling, which is incredible. It is totally natural, it is totally safe. This has only 4 ingredients. Some of those are EcoCert certified, some of those are organic ingredients. This actually kills 99.999 of majority of bacteria, fungi, and viruses, while alcohol cannot kill that much. So this is actually better than alcohol in much safer. You can easily apply on your face. Like you can, even if you have like rosacea or some breakout, you can put right there on the face and you can keep it. You don't have to wash it. Another product that we're launching, it is Extreme Hydration Night Cream with amazing ingredients. This is good because if you have stressed skin, especially when we're aging, we have a stressed skin, you can use, I don't have makeup right now, but you can use, and you can see how hydrating this is. And it has lime pearl. Guys. Another thing that we are launching, lip mask or lip balm. It is really thick. I don't know which packaging actually to use. This is great after microneedling with manuka honey, super clean, super natural. You can eat it, it's not a big deal. I mean, don't eat that, but if you swallow it is not a big deal. I want to show you that we have a lot of packages that I just received today. So I am actually asking you right now for the help. I do have this kind of packaging for the lip balm as a roll, and then I have a glass jar, and it looks like that. You will have to actually push it. Good for the children protection. The only one thing, the difference, that what you prefer. Like, I really don't mind. I personally prefer this one, but you let me know what's best for you. Rose water, this one probably, am I gonna go in this? This is glass. I have another option, a swell glass, but since it's transparent, it has a bamboo cap, which is nice. But you let me know. I try to see which one would you like, so I need your help. And the biggest news for this month, we lowered the Dermaroller price to $29 because many of you complain, and right now what I'm in tune with myself and with you guys, I want to listen to you, and I actually wanna implement something that you are complaining, and that's good. Criticism is good. For this month, we're just testing with trying Dermaroller back to the old price, $29. I don't promise that this is gonna happen all the time. I don't know for how long we're gonna have that. The issue that we have the most, and I would like you to help me, we have issue with the shipping delays. I cannot control USPS, how fast post office can ship the package for you. If you live closer to Florida, we are in Miami, then you're gonna receive faster. But if you live somewhere really north, far away, Canada, other countries, Europe, it takes a little bit longer. If you want me to start working like with FedEx, with DHL, they are very expensive, and your shipping will increase, like probably will double. For me as a small brand owner, it's really killing me to receive suggestions to improve like shipping speed. I can, because USPS, they suck, but they are the most affordable. But I don't know how to solve that. That's why I'm asking you how I can solve this issue with the shipping, because we are a very small brand. It's basically me and a few other people that work with me, and I'm trying my best to have really great quality products focusing on sustainability. So I'm sorry, I don't know how to solve this issue right now, but thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for everything, and let me know, give me some more suggestions so I can actually improve Gina Amber Beauty. I'm here to serve you, I'm here to help you, and thank you so much for trusting me, and please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.